Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going grocery shopping. I'm incognito today, so that's what I usually do when I don't have any makeup and whatnot, and my hair is a mess, as we can tell, and whatnot. Anywho, so I decided to do this little vlog, and I was inspired by the great Tasha Mack. Seen her in my previous video, for the vision board party, and so shout out to her. But she gave me the inspiration to do a vegan grocery shopping little tutorial, the best deals that you can possibly get on a vegan diet. But before I do that, make sure you like and subscribe. The button should be right there somewhere. And yeah, so let's get to it. And we're about to go into Sam's right here. There's a logo, and yep, just do a little. This one has mango in it. The strawberries here, you can get like 2 pounds for like, a few dollars, not that much. No, you can get blackberries too. Large amounts, so keep, eating them. Cherries are good too. Another good source of good fats and proteins are avocados. So avocados are really good. You make them with toast. And also frozen vegetables can be an option. You get like broccoli Normandy, little peel-offs there. So that's it. And with all the fruits and vegetables, it comes out with a total of $31. So that is not bad at all. Get like half of these items what you have here. So I'm going to finish up ringing up the rest of the items, and I'm going to check out. But I want to show you how much it would be. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick voiceover, and I'm making the dragon berry bowl here. See, I got my strawberries, berries here. They're organic from Sam's, and I also got dragon fruit. You can purchase this at Target or Target, that I like to call it. And all you do is just chop up your strawberries, like voila, there you go, and put in a bowl. Now for a non-vegan option, I love to drizzle it with honey, so that's a little bad on my part, but it's really, really good. And that's the dragon bowl. So this is the one I go to the most, is the rainbow acai bowl. All you have to do is get a pack of superfood acai, granola, and also your favorite fruits like mangoes, berries, all that other great stuff, kiwi, all that. So acai packs, you can find them at Target, and you can get them in little pieces. So you crumble up, use bananas as a base, and also use granola for the crunch, and do it in that order. So once you get your fruit, you can line them up, making a rainbow pretty bowl like this. And of course, you can use toppings. I like to use chia seeds. They're very full in fiber, and they make you fuller. There you go. You can also use coconut, shavings, honey, wherever you like. Voila. Next up, not last, is cocoa mango smoothie. These are great for in the morning when you have to go to work, something quick, and it's real easy. All you need is real organic coconut juice. Pour it in there along with some water, and add mangoes and strawberries into the mix, and of course ice. And add a scoop of lime. That gives it a little very good. And also add chia seeds. So there you go.